Hey everyone, this is Brandon from Tech. So today, for my parents, we're going to be going over how to utilize the zoom feature on your iPad. So if we look here at our iPad, we're using a 10.2 iPad Air. Usually for education, you're usually going to see some kind of iPad like this that has a home button, just like we have right down here. If you're familiar with the iPad Pro line from Apple that doesn't have a home button, you usually won't find those in education. So to do the zoom feature here, there's two different ways to do it. We can do this zoom to pinch in and out, and then we also have kind of like this three-finger tap. So first we're going to show you how to do the regular zoom in and out. So if I go to a photo, and I go to this photo right over here, I'm just going to raise it up. The natural way to zoom in and out from any photo or a website even, if you take your two fingers and kind of have them in a pinch motion, put them on the screen, and if I want to zoom in, I start kind of separating my fingers. And I can even move the photo up and down to get it more in focus. And then I can even do it again to zoom even more and move it over. Now, to get it to zoom out, I take my two-finger pinch, and if I even open it up a little bit more and I kind of squeeze them together, it'll zoom the picture out. And that works on your websites, and that also works on your photos. So to do an even kind of closer zoom in, if I go to the settings, which is a little gear icon down here, and I go over to accessibility, which is right here, you see something that says zoom. And I have mine currently on, but if you have yours off, you click on here, toggle this on, so green means on, and that's on the screen already. So when I want to look at something a little bit more clearly, say I'm looking at some kind of text, and I want to see what this app name is. It's in this white area here, so the words mix together. I take my three fingers, and I take a little double tap over the area. And it pops a little bubble up. Now you notice this little white bar here? This is where you kind of put your finger on to move this around. So now I want to read this. It's zoomed in very closely and I can read the word. To get out of it, take the three fingers, double tap again, and it should disappear. And that's how you use your zoom on the iPad. I'm Brandon Andrade from Tech, and I hope you enjoyed.